Hey gardening friends! Well, today is the exciting day. After rooting my slips and putting them in the ground, today we're going to find out if there's any sweet potatoes under these beautiful vines. Some of my vines have grown easily 10 or 15 feet. They intersected their way into the corn. They're long, and now we're going to see what's underneath the ground. I have no idea. I've never done this before, so let's check it out and see what we got. Babies here. Whew, they are attached to this vine. Ooh, these are a little bit bigger. Look at these things. They're so long. Back into the dirt we go. I believe that is the biggest one so far. We have a new winner for biggest sweet potato. Look at that one. Ooh, I think I stabbed it. Oh well. For my very first ever sweet potato harvest, I'm gonna call this a win. I did everything from the start. I bought a bag of organic sweet potatoes from the grocery store, I put them in some dirt, and I got them to sprout. Once they sprouted into vines, I plucked those vines off, put them in water, and rooted them into my slips. I put my slips into the ground, And I got sweet potatoes. What more could a gardener ask for? Next year, I'm going to do a little bit of homework over the winter and see what they need to get me some bigger sweet potatoes. But these, I'm sure, will be delicious, and I look forward to cooking them up for my family. At the end of this video, I will link the original videos I did on getting your slips and putting your slips into the ground so you can see the whole process. This is a good day. It's always a good day in the garden. If you enjoy gardening and cooking and preserving your own food, please click that little like button and follow my channel on Garden Avenue, because that's what I like to do and I love to share it with you. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Please like, subscribe, and share to this channel. Peace out.